common theme in most automotive projects is rust, and I'm going to show you how to fix rust with Dupli-Color's Rust Fix coming up next. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Brian and welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage, where we show you how to restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle in your garage using Dupli-Color products. Now, we all have our projects, right? Well, these projects require primers, and you might be asking yourself, what type of primer do I really need? Well, here at Dupli-Color, we have a large assortment of primers, and they are specifically formulated based on the project you are working on. Our self-etching primer is going to be for that initial priming step, where you're priming over bare metal or bare aluminum. Our filler primer is going to be when you're performing body work and you want to fill those light sanding scratches over top of your body filler. The 2-in-1 primer is going to be a heavier bodied filler, a higher solids, where it's going to fill that heavier sanding scratch, voids, or dents. The sandable primer is more of your general purpose primer, say if you're priming a toolbox, and it comes in an assortment of colors based on your project top coat. The primer sealer is exactly what the name implies. It's going to seal the surface and get you ready for your top coat. The adhesion promoter is a plastic primer to get that top coat to adhere directly to plastic. Now in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how our Rust Fix product is used. Now essentially, it's not a primer, it is a rust neutralizer, and it's going to neutralize that rust that loves to hide in those little hard to get areas, the rust pits, nooks and crannies, neutralize that rust and get it ready to be a paintable surface. I start preparing the surface by removing the loose rust and paint with a wire brush. 80 grit sandpaper can also be used for this process. I then use the Dupli-Color Prep Spray, which is a solvent-based cleaner that deep cleans to remove any grease and other contaminants, then wipe it down with a clean cloth and let dry. Before applying, shake the can for 2 minutes and apply when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Always spray in a well-ventilated area and wear personal protection equipment. Hold the can about 6 to 8 inches from the surface and apply the 2 to 3 light to medium coats of Rust Fix in an even back and forth sweeping motion, allowing 5 minutes between coats. Rust Fix sprays on clear and slowly turns black as it reacts with the rust to create a surface ready to be primed once dry. All right, after prepping the tray and getting it good and clean, I put down about 3 coats of the Rust Fix, and now you can tell it's really doing its thing. It's chemically reacting with the rust, transitioning it over to a black paintable surface. But keep in mind, this takes some time. Don't expect it to be dry and turn black within about 5 minutes. This takes about 24 hours of total time to really react with that rust, get down in those rust pits, turn everything black, get it good and dry, and then we're ready to top coat. So for demonstrative purposes, I had a spare piece of rusty metal sitting around the shop here, and I sprayed it, half of it with Rust Fix and left the other half untreated, and you can see in a matter of a few hours, it started to really attack that rust, neutralize it, and turn it black, so you can see really what happens with a true before and after. Now, Rust Fix can be used on a variety of rusty metal surfaces like sheet metal, frame rails, suspension components, anywhere where you need rust to be fixed. Now, if you want to find out more information about the product that we use here and more great products from Dupli-Color, visit Dupli-Color.com.